Shugor nakaslem Jngoh nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ukurat sangma harangkat Lamphang king darbar thawan uba medba lengdo hne kesngi kelai kendu ya Lamphang king darbar thawan kari Om Birla hanong ba Delhi penyakren bat halor kajingte ya yang darbar batmai ke Jylla haniu Shillong nakaliang Lamphang king darbar thawan ke Jylla uba medba lengdo ulayathu ba keni kadai kesin ke baar Mana kaliang jongki kelai kendu ya Lamphang king darbar thawan kari Om Birla ban pensngau shau halor ke jingtei ya yang darbar batmai jong ke Jylla susu nak kaliang uba medba ulai thuru ba menteri Rangba ke Jylla ulai thuru ya ke jingya kiba ke sarkar Jylla ke ya kendu bat ula kendu ya ke sarkar bedeng ban pai kmat lem kenang ba ke jingtemu ban pendap ya keni yang darbar kadlong hakapor ke balabu nak kaliang uba medba ula khot ngau bharu ya Lamphang kari ban wan Syaka Jylla, hakaba ya katarik labu bakan long, haka arpusan lani arpunriu, jong menta ubenai Lamphang arhajar arpuai.
This morning, me and the Honorable Chief Minister, Sekondar Sama, we met the Honorable Speaker of the Lok Sabha, and this is the second time that we are meeting him to update about the progress of the construction of the new assembly building in the state, and we have apprised him about the difficulties and constraints that the state government has faced, and Honorable Chief Minister has briefed him the entire problems that we have, and stress on the need that the central government intervention is very much needed at this hour to ensure that the completion of this assembly building construction will be on time. Over and above this, we invited the Honorable Speaker to come and visit our state, and he told us that he will be arranging some special program from the Lok Sabha office, and where tentative date has been fixed around 25th or 26th of this February. So the final date will be informed to us in very short time, so that all preparation and whatever needed, that will be done to ensure that we welcome the Honorable Speaker whenever he visits our state.